our Minimouse Tech Word tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to put bullet to a list. So just to be easy, I have pre-opened a document which has a list of items there. So we're just going to put a bullet onto this list. Um, right now we're going to look at the Home tab, paragraph ribbon section. There is three different types of bullets sections. So I'm just going to click the first bullet. So let me first highlight the list or select the whole list and click on the first bullet drop down, and we can choose whichever one we want. I'm going to choose the triangle one, and here you go, we have bulleted the list. If you want to put a number to this list, it's the one beside it which says numbering. I'm just going to choose the first selection, and there you go, we numbered the list. Okay, in case if you want to multi-bullet this list, if you want to have a different levels for each topic, you just have to select the whole list and go under the multi-level list section, and you can choose whichever one you want. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, so it has given you one section of bullets. So to make it multi-level, you just have to tap it out. So it's going to be multi-level. Again, the second one, third one, you're going to do a tap and tap again. And the last one, tap, tap, and tap again. So it gives you the multi-level bullet list. Okay guys, this marks the end of our Microsoft Bullet tutorial. Thank you so much.